Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how Sudowrite works. So first and foremost, you have to go to any web browser and then type Sudowrite. Click the very first link that you can see here. This is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do is, of course, you have to create an account here in Sudowrite. So this is the interface or dashboard of Sudowrite. So if you have your files before or unfinished or unpublished files, so basically you can see it right here. Now to start, what you're going to do is you have to tap on plus, but if you have your document or files that you want to edit or you want to upload here, then tap on import and then import that file from your device. So how do this AI tool work? First, you have to tap on this new, so you can choose project, folder, or series. So we're going to tap on project right here and then wait for a couple of seconds. And this is what it looks like. Now, what is Sudowrite first? So Sudowrite is an AI-powered writing assistant designed specifically for fiction writers, novelists, or different types of writers. Okay, so you start by writing your story or just a few lines, and Sudowrite will learn your tone and direction. Then with a click, it helps you continue your scene, finish your paragraph, suggest what could happen next. Okay, basically, you can just tap or add something right here. Okay, so you can continue your scene, finish your paragraph, suggest what could happen next. Auto continue adapts to your voice, genre, and pacing. So basically, you can start your, writing right here. So for example, this is the title, Love in Autumn Glow. So you can just copy this one and then put it right here as your title. And you can generate a rough draft opening or generate 3 openings if you want, or chat about an idea. Everything is up to you. So this is the right feature. Now expand. So this is what we call expand feature right here. So basically, if you want to add more details, highlight a sentence. For example, this one right here. You can highlight this, your title. And then basically you can expand the thought. So you can just hit expand if you want, and you can now see, or it will enrich with sensory details, emotional depth, and world building. Now number 3, we have here describe. So what is this describe option? If you need a vivid image of a character or place, use describe. Okay, you can just highlight and then tap on describe. So it generates options for physical appearance, atmosphere and mood, metaphors, or similes. So example, you type she walked into the forest and then describe 3 to 5 richly written version. I'm going to highlight this. I'm going to tap on describe. So you can just basically add something here if you want. And then tap on describe. You will see the result here on the right side. Okay, so that is for describe. Now let's move on to other tool right here, which is the plugins. If you want to explore plugins, you can tap this one right here, but you have to make sure that if you want to use these features, most of the cases, you need to upgrade your plan. Okay, so another is that there are also other options. You just have to go here, for example, the brain dump. You can write a brain dump of everything you know about the story. You can include information. You can add it right here. Genre. Okay, so if you want to add a specific genre of writing here, feel free to include subgenres and tropes. And then you can see your style, characters, world building, and so on, and outline. Okay, so basically that's it. You can use this tool to create, to rewrite, to describe, and make an article, create blog posts. This is very useful. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you again in our next video tutorial.